So welcome back. I've adjusted the fingers on the finger brake so I can put it through, wind up on the line again, remembering to have the part you want to bend on the outside. This time I'm going to go all the way over. So I'm going to go all the way over because this is going to come on a safety edge. I'm going to go back and finish off bending over the one I started in the previous video. Just to finishing down. So, place it under the tines, give it a squash, puts it down, place it under the fingers, give it a squash, and that will put it down nicely for you. So now I've got to bend up my two sides. Same process, slide it through, the part you want to bend have sticking out, line it up on your line, up to a right angle, and if you've marked your 45s out correctly and cut them correctly, then they should almost touch. That'll be a good guide to when you're at right angles. Turn around, slide it through, have the part sticking out you want to bend up, and up to a right angle again. Slide it out, and there we have it. Our base bent up. Next we're going to check our sides to make sure they fit and bend up our sides. Cheers.